Beautiful people, hello. This is me from South Korea. Facing Los Angeles right now. Okay, today again I have my beautiful assistant. Kirsty. Alright, today in this video we're gonna focus on our leg pop. How to do pop with the leg. There's a two-way we can pop. A lot of way electric boogaloo's book style. Way is popping back way. We are straight back. Yeah? And a lot of animation we use forward pop. This is very useful for animation. 3 times, 2 times, da da da, da. So there are 2 ways. Yes, we're gonna cover. Let's do the electric boogaloo's back pop first, and then we will cover the forward pop. Yes. Okay. When you do leg pop, make sure your body weight is one side. It's way easier when your body weight is grounded. When your leg is grounded, it's way easier. Yes. Okay. And now this time we're gonna bend our knee and then straight. While you're straight, you're gonna really activate your muscle. Really big muscle here. Yeah? And also you're activating your glutes as well. And make sure you don't go too far. You don't go too straight that you're gonna hurt your knee. Yes? Make sure you're stepping in some way that you feel comfortable and you feel secure. Yeah, make sure. Okay, let's do it. Try to put your weight one side, bend and straight. And then you really activate your big muscle here. Pop, pop, pop. And your hip is not moving back and forth. And your height is not moving as well. And personally, I don't really use my back because I feel like when I do this, I'm gonna just like go overextended. So I just kind of bend a little bit and then straight. And then really focusing on your activating your muscle. Then just, bending and straight. Does that make sense? Pop, pop, pop. Do you feel the muscle? You guys feel the muscle?
Yeah.
I feel a lot.
Yeah.
Because I've been working out my leg. Okay. Pop, pop. Beginning of popping journey, you don't need to pop really big. Because I don't want you guys to have a bad habit. Yeah? Go small, it's totally fine. Once you feel comfortable, once you feel like you're doing it right, then go stronger. Yeah? Pop, pop. And my leg doesn't bend right away. I go, stay there a little bit and then release slowly. Pop and release. Pop and release. If you touch it, you will be able to feel the muscle. Nice. Ha. Pa. Ha. Hit. Nice. Let's try other leg and then we will do with the music. Yes? Okay. Left is always harder to me. Okay. Pop. 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 Hit. More body weight maybe. More body weight. Nice. Nice. Let's try with the music together, yes? And again, we're gonna listen to snares. Right leg, pop. 6, 7, 8. Nice. Keep going. Your other body part is relaxed. Your height is not changing. Take your time. With the snare. Pop. Pop.
Wait. Before we move on, I want to quickly introduce my online popping tutorial platform, Everyday Popping. We've got over 100 classes covering everything from how to pop with each body parts, foundations, choreography, freestyle tactics, and even a beginner course specially designed for those new to popping. You will also get monthly personalized feedback from me, plus lessons from world-renowned international guest teachers. If you want to grow and level up your popping, Everyday Popping has you covered. Join now at everydaypopping.com to learn more and start your popping journey. Alright, back to the class.
5, 6, 7, 8. 5, 6, 7, 8. Really walk out so that you have a weight. Yeah? 7, 8. Leg. 5, 6, 7, 8. 5, 6. Switch. 9, 5, 6, 5, 6. Keep going. Just the leg. Okay. Oh my god, this too. Too funny. Okay, how you guys feeling?
Amazing.
I cannot hear you. How you guys feeling? Scream. Okay. Is there anything that you guys feel like it was really like buggy or challenging?
Challenging to not over snap.
Yes.
That's hard.
Yes. Really important. I don't want nobody to get hurt because at the end of the day, we started dancing because it's fun, right? But we don't want to get injured, right? Longevity is the best. Really make sure. That's why you really need to condition yourself. Having right amount of muscle in your body is really important. Never overextended it because you want to do big pop. Don't go like. Don't do that, please. It's okay to have a small pop. I would rather see smaller pop and more formed, more like a aged pop. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
Yeah. You don't need to really deeply go for it. Just bend a little bit, tiny bit, and then stop it somewhere where you feel comfortable and safe, and then your muscle is activated. Does that make sense? It's more like instead of hitting back, think that you're activating muscle. Then hitting back. Does it make sense? Small, but still feeling the muscle. Your glute is kind of preventing you go all the way back. Yeah. And make sure when we are walking around, we just did the walk out, and then came back. Make sure that your body weight is also traveling so that it's easier to pop there. If your body weight is here, it's harder to pop. It's harder. Always when it's grounded, it's easier to pop. Yes?
Yeah.
That's why you need to really use your body weight. Even side. Forward, really go. Travel. Come back. Switch. So you're literally moving. Yes. Okay. Let's move on to the forward pop. This is much harder. Personally for me, I'm still practicing. It's really hard. It's easier when your leg is grounded, but at the same time you can also do in the air and it gets really hard. So let's try from the ground first. Think about you had a leg day 2 days ago. And then when you're crazy heavy leg day, and then you had there was a stairs going downstairs, your leg literally lose control, right? It kind of similar feeling. Your leg is locked, and then it's how do you say it? ooh, losing the control. Ooh.
Mhm.
But then at the same time, you're gonna activate the muscle as well. You feel the muscle? I'm sure it's gonna be easier than back pop, right?
Yes, yes.
Nice. Nice. Great. Great. Even this one, you don't need to go all the way down. You know what I mean? Stop it somewhere you feel comfortable and stay activating your whole part. Quad, right? Quad?
Mhm.
Yeah. Quad, this part is the biggest muscle in our body. Pa, 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 ha, ha, ha. Other side. Oh, I did opposite. Front, right side. Out, front, front, front. Nice. Very good. Super good. Ka, ka, ha, ha. Can we try double? T, T. 7, 8, pa, pa. 7, 8, ta, ta. 7, 8, ta, ta. Other leg, ta, ta. 7, 8, boom. 7, 8, to do. 7, 8, to do. Nice. Let's go over everything and then do with the music. This time, let's lift our leg. It's gonna be hard, but let's challenge ourselves. Think about you lifting your thigh up a little bit. You're not gonna overly go. You're gonna like slightly. You're gonna lift up. But while you're lifting, think about your heel is coming towards your other knee. Then it's gonna be easier to activate. Do you feel the muscle? Try to really relax and then activate. Lift up a little bit. Ha, 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 ha. This heel pulling gonna kind of make you feel understanding a little bit easier. Pa, ka, 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 ka. Also you can go ka, how do you say? Also you can go ka, ka, ka. You can go. But this is a little more intermediate, yeah? Okay, everything, we're gonna go 4, 4, 4. Let's do double, 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 and then we're gonna lift, and then we face out, and then we're gonna lift, face out. Yes? Let's try with the music. 5, 6, 7, right. Nice. Take your time. Nice. are killing it. I have a lot of drill videos. Man, I haven't shot yet. It's coming. I have a lot of drill videos. You can do it. It's like short, 10 to 15 minutes. So do it every day, possible. Because for me, just getting the pop inside of my body, it took 2 years to just really understand it. Because I didn't have a lot of muscle. I was like young. I didn't know about my body, and at the time I was like 13 years old. Like, how do I know? So like, it was really hard for me to really figuring out how can I do it. And also, I don't know, there are not many like female poppers. Like, I don't know how the body works. I don't know how the muscle works. So I really had to find my own way and really think about like focusing on relax point than flexing the muscle. It will be way easier. And popping is so technical that you really need to drill it. Yes? Think about you're doing 10-minute workout, same thing. 10-minute pop exercise every day. It's gonna get you all the way here. Seriously, trust me. And once you get that technique in your body, it feels so good. Like it feels like your body is instrumental. Really, seriously. So keep it up. Dance with me, practice with me, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!